everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a fun geometric pattern for your macrame wall hangings or other projects. Let's get started. To begin, I've went ahead and attached 8 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. Our first step is to take the 4 cords here on the far left and tie 1 square knot. To make a square knot, I'm going to take the side on the far right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm going to take that left cord to go over the right rope, behind the 2 ropes in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. Then I take the cord now on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form my loop. The side on the right goes over the left, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull it tight. Now I'm going to take the 2 ropes here on the right side of this previous square knot and then 2 new ropes. And I'm going to form another square knot. Now I'm going to repeat this one more time by taking the 2 on the right and 2 new ropes and forming another square knot. Now I'm going to repeat this exact pattern here on the right, so I'm going to make 3 square knots going downwards and to the left. I'll start with the 4 ropes here on the far right to form my first square knot. Now I'm going to connect my 2 square knots here in the middle by making 1 more square knot with the 4 cords that are directly in the middle. Now I'm going to be creating a line of double half hitch knots following this row of square knots. So to do this, I'm going to take the rope here on the far left, and this is going to act as my leading rope. This means I'm just going to point it in the direction I want it to go and tie all these other ropes around this leading rope. So I'm going to take my first rope here, right up behind my leading rope to form a loop. It's going to twist up and around to go through the loop, and then I'm just going to pull that tight. Then I'm going to take that same working cord to go in front of my leading rope. It's going to twirl around to go through the loop, and then I can pull that tight. And that is my first double half hitch knot. So once again, my working rope is going to come right up behind the leading rope to form a loop. It's going to twist over to go through the loop. I'm going to pull that tight. Then I'm going to send it in front of that leading rope to twist around and go through the loop. Now I'm going to repeat this same pattern, this time on the right side. So the cord on the far right is going to point down and to the left, and this is going to be my leading rope, which means all 7 of these ropes are going to get tied around this leading rope. I'm going to take the original leading cord that was on the left side, and this time I'm going to point it down and to the left. So it's the same exact thing we just did, only this time I point it a different direction. Now I'm going to repeat this on the right side. Now to finish this design, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do another row of square knots underneath my double half hitch knots on either side. So we're basically doing a mirror image of what we did up top and kind of an X shape. So I'm just going to take the 4 cords here in the middle to start my first square knot. I'm going to start making my square knots down and to the left. And then lastly, I will repeat this on the right side. And there we go. So this is the final result of my geometric pattern. It makes a really pretty X-like pattern and will be excellent in your wall hanging designs or other projects as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.